Ever wonder why your debt keeps piling up, even when you swear you'll stop? Global debt just hit $318 trillion in 2024, and the real problem isn't your salary, it's your mind. Stick around, because I'm about to uncover the psychological traps that keep you stuck and how you can finally break free. Welcome to Ever Wealthy, your go-to spot for practical, no-fluff financial wisdom. Today, we're diving into the psychology of spending, why even smart people make money mistakes, and how you can rewire your brain for true financial freedom. Let's get honest. About 40% of your daily actions are just habits. That means nearly half your spending happens on autopilot. Here's why. Your brain loves instant rewards. Just seeing something you want triggers a dopamine rush even before you buy it. And when you pay with a credit card, it barely feels like spending at all, making it way too easy to overspend. But it goes even deeper. Most of your money habits were set in childhood. If you heard "we can't afford that" growing up, you might overspend now to prove you've made it. These old scripts run in the background, quietly sabotaging your finances. If this sounds familiar, hit that subscribe button now because we're just getting started and you don't want to miss what's next. This isn't just your struggle. Debt is rising fastest in developing countries, but even in wealthy nations, people are trapped by what's called biased income expectations. That means spending based on what we hope to earn, not what's actually in our accounts. Emotional triggers like stress, boredom, and social pressure are universal. Social media, it's a global highlight reel, making you feel like you need to spend more just to keep up. And here's the real shocker. Even people who know all the financial rules fall into these traps. Knowing what to do isn't enough. You have to change how you think. Ready to break free? Here's your game plan. First, track everything. Write down every expense for a week. This makes unconscious spending visible. Second, spot your triggers. Notice when and why you spend. Is it stress? Boredom? Once you're aware, you can take control. Third, add friction. Remove saved cards from your favorite websites. Use cash for fun spending. Making impulse buys harder means you'll spend less. Fourth, delay gratification. Wait 24 hours for small purchases or a week for bigger ones. Most urges fade if you give yourself time. Pause and comment below. What's your number one spending trigger? Let's help each other stay accountable. Ever Wealthy is a community, not just a channel. Now let's flip the script. Use your brain's wiring to your advantage. Automate your savings, so saving happens before you even think about spending. Celebrate every win. Paid off a card? Mark the moment. And surround yourself with people who have healthy money habits. Your social circle shapes your spending more than you realize. Breaking the debt cycle isn't about willpower. It's about understanding your psychology and building systems that work for you, not against you. If this changed how you see your money, smash that like button and subscribe to Ever Wealthy for more practical, global financial wisdom. Want actionable debt repayment strategies? Check the description for our next must-watch video. Ever Wealthy, helping you take control of your money, one insight at a time. See you in the next video. What's the next financial struggle you want solved? Drop your ideas in the comments and let's grow Ever Wealthy together.